Understanding self-assembly in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, self-assembly. This term is used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning can really expand your English vocabulary. So, let's dive in. Self-assembly refers to the process where components automatically come together to form a structure without external guidance. It's often used in the context of furniture, where pieces are designed to fit together easily by the customer at home. Think of a bookshelf or a desk you buy in a box and put together yourself. The term isn't limited to furniture. In science, self-assembly describes how molecules form organized structures without human intervention. For example, how proteins fold in biology, or how crystals form in chemistry. It's a versatile term that crosses into many fields. Let's see how self-assembly can be used in sentences. I bought a self-assembly bookshelf, and it was easy to put together. The self-assembly of proteins is crucial for cellular functions. Be careful not to confuse self-assembly with DIY, do-it-yourself. DIY implies a broader range of activities that require more active involvement and skill, while self-assembly usually refers to following a set process or instructions. And that's self-assembly for you. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use this term confidently in your conversations and writings. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. Remember, every word you learn is a step forward in your English language journey. Keep learning and exploring.